Module number B8, I mean booster number B8, trigonometry, identity related, trigonometry identity related. So every time I used to tell, if you want to practice trigonometry, some basic things, it is there in your YouTube link. You can see there is some basic things. The basic things means how we can remember all the trigonometry result quickly by using super hexagon. So any trigonometry, if you are practicing, you should have this much basic things that I'll tell you. The first basic thing, everything you have to convert in terms of what sine and cos. Convert in terms of sine. These three technique, don't forget. Convert in terms of sine and cos. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, do common term taking out. Convert in terms of sine and cos. Cross multiplication possibility, if it is there, do it. And cross multiplication possibility is there, do it. And a common term, if you can take it outside, take it. So it is not in the order, it can be any order. Cross multiplication, common term, convert in terms of sine and cos. So whenever you are practicing trigonometry, this much things at least should be there with you. First one, converting in terms of sine and cos. Cosec A you can convert. Sine 1 by sine A. For remembering this one, we have the YouTube link is the super hexagon, which one I told you. Cosec A is what? 1 by sine A. And sec A is what? 1 by cos A, reciprocal of this one. And tan A equal to what? Everything we are either sine or cos or both. Sine A by cos A. Then cot A is what? Cos A by sine A. Try to understand this all result. We are not the time. This is not the time to learn and all. So be careful. Cos A by sine A. After that, identity. First identity, cos square A plus sine square A equal to 1. And it has sub-identity. Cos square A can be written as 1 minus sine square A, transposing to other side. And sine square A equal to what? 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A 1 minus sine square A. Sine square A 1 minus cos square A. Plus, we have two more identity. Sec square A minus tan square A equal to what? 1. Sec square A. And cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. This also will use, but mainly we people are focusing this one. Converting in terms of sine and cos. Cross multiplication possibility is there we have to do. And this is the main thing what we are doing. So all of you please be ready. Starting. Many people are waking up fully, I think. Okay, we are starting our problems. First question, please rewrite LHS. Cos A by 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A by cos A. It is already in terms of sine and cos. So you no need to convert in terms of what sine and cos. Already in terms of sine and cos. So three technique I told you. Convert in terms of sine and cos. Any cross multiplication, if it is the do it. And any common term, if you can take it outside, you can do that. But this case, already in terms of sine and cos, only cross multiplication possibility. So, how we are doing the cross multiplication? Cos into cos, cos square A, plus 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A whole square. Denominator, no need to do anything. Let it be there like that only. After this, numerator you simplify, denominator don't touch. I told you, convert in terms of sine and cos. Any cross multiplication possibilities there, do it. Anything common. Common is not there, only cross multiplication. Now, numerator, when you're expanding, many people are making mistake that one. 1 plus sine A whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Like that you have to proceed. A square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sine a plus sine square a. I told you repeatedly, denominator no need to do anything. 1 plus sine a into what? Cos a. Now one belt I am giving, cos square a and sine square a combined together, it is what? 1. You also give the belt like that. 1, that 1, and already here 1 square is that 1 plus 2 sine a by 1 plus sine a into what? Cos a. Now the another mistake people are making, 1 plus 1 plus 2. You are not allowed to add. It is not 4. Only you people can add what? You people can add only 1 plus 1 only. So first 1 and 1 you add. So 2 plus 2 sine a all divided by 1 plus sine a into cos a. Now numerator 2 is common. 2 when you are taking outside. 1 plus sine a will be there. So 1 plus sine a into what? Cos a. So you can cancel 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a you can cancel. Please check it. Anybody have any step doubt? You just tell me the color. Accordingly, I'll help you. Please check it. All of you, timing is very important because initially only we people will tell all the important points and all. So timing is very important. That every time I used to tell because initially only all the main point we discussed. So today level 1, that means easy questions only, identity related. Table related, we already done another one during the class hours. We'll see. And we conducted the test also. Now what do you got? Equal to 2. 1 by cos is there. So I already told you 1 by cos is what? This much result by using super hexagon is there in the YouTube link. I'll share today again that one. So 1 by cos is what? CK. This is what you want to prove. 2 already there RHS. So first question everybody understood. So trigonometry, whenever you are practicing, this 3 strategy, if you are doing 90% question, you can do what? Convert in terms of sine and cos. If any cross multiplication possibility is there, do it. And common term, if you can take, you can take. But here already in terms of sine and cos and the cross multiplication possibility only we checked that is possible. Cross multiplication possibility will be a by b plus c by d from like that you can see. Next question number 2, please try by yourself now. I'll wait for you. Question number 2. Question number 2. Amade, first use basic things you understand. After that you just submit. 15 question is there. Oh, went into the last question. Question number second one. Please try the same strategy what I told you. It is already in terms of sine and cos. Sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. So already in terms of sine and cos, second question. So you common term is not the only thing about what cross multiplication. So cross multiplication when you're doing sine theta into sine theta is what? Sine square theta. Tomorrow no module class, but Saturday will be there module class. Early morning module class will be there. Sine square theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 plus cos theta into sine theta. But tomorrow module class will be the tomorrow, I mean during regular class hours for batch 1. Batch 2 people, if you want, you can attend it. I didn't decide what we'll discuss. Let me see. Maybe, okay, I'll update you. This one. So what we done here, cross multiplication, this into this plus this into this, and denominator also multiply. Once you've done that one, numerator you expanded, denominator don't need to do anything. So sine square theta plus 1 plus cos theta you can expand a plus b whole square form a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by denominator 1 plus cos theta into sine theta, like that it will be. Your exam is 16th, no? Next Friday, no? Where your exam, Devika? School or tuition exam is not now. That is anyway for time being, I just told. Our term, I mean revision plan is there, no? Already given the accordingly the test will be there. School exam is there. Okay, possibly attempt. What are the topic? Please update me personally. Now what belt you give? Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Now everyone focus on this topic. Sin square theta plus cos square theta belt, that is what 1. Plus there is a 1 square 1, then 2 cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now your addition, don't make mistake. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Please take from the numerator common term out. 2 is common. How we done the previously, like that, take it out. So simply don't write it. I told you already. So 2 we took it outside. So 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. You can cancel this and this. What is 1 by sin? In the beginning I told you 1 by sin is what? Cosec theta. So cosec theta, that is what your RHS. That is what your RHS. So don't forget what we done and all. This is the procedure. Anybody have problem? Let me know. Next, third question. Third question. Please rewrite LHS. Third question. Please rewrite LHS. Cot A minus cos A. Very easy question, but many people are making mistake. Within 2-step answer. Yeah.
Sir, how did you do the orange one? The cancellation?
You will ask me 15th question only, not directly. That means I thought you knows this everything. No, this is 1 plus cos theta. This is also 1 plus cos theta. Altogether 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta cancelled. Question number third one. Question number third one. LHS. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Very easy question. I told you the technique. Convert in terms of sine and cos. Cross multiplication possibility is there, do it. But in this question, cross multiplication possibility is not there. Converting possibility is there. Converting possibility means cot A you change. What is cot A? In the beginning I taught you cos A by sin A minus cos A by cos A by sin A minus cos plus cos A. Now you can take a common term out. Common term means here you can see cos A. Here also you can see cos A. Common term you can take it outside. Cos A I took it outside. So what you can see? 1 by sin A minus 1 by cos A into 1 by sin A plus 1. Your answer is ready. Cos A cancelled. 1 by sin A don't cancel, okay? 1 by sin A is the bracket, don't cancel. But what is 1 by sin A? In the beginning I taught you 1 by sin A is what? Cosec A. So this you can call, this you can call cosec A minus 1 by, down also cosec A plus 1. That's what we put our RHS. Please do quickly fourth question by yourself. I'll wait for you the same strategy. Fourth one by yourself. Okay. DPS having Saturday morning class, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, no problem. You no need to attend it. Possibly attend it. Anyway, repeated modules will come. Saturday morning anyway, Saturday morning anyway, I'm not keeping the class. Evening only. Saturday morning class not the for anyone. But early morning session sometimes will keep. And the Saturday classes are online or physical, Sadia? Physical. So, you think about it. So you got cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. All of you please try same way. Question number fourth one. Question number fourth one. Tan you can write sin a by cos a. The sin a take it outside. 1 by cos a is what sec a. Everyone please try fourth those. Okay, I mean, we'll see. Of you please check it. Question number fourth one. I hope all everyone done it. So not wasting the time. Question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. Last year asked, I think, 10th or 11th, 10th or 9th asked. Anyway, I'll tell you, don't worry. Question number 10th one. Please rewrite LHS. Question number 10th one. Fourth one you have to do, I told you. Question number 10th one. LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. At any cost, don't expand it. Don't expand it. When will expand? If you feel one is the reciprocal of the other, you expand. Otherwise, don't expand. Cosec and cot is not reciprocal. But cosec and sine, if it is there, you have to expand. One is the reciprocal of the other one is there, you expand. Otherwise, don't expand. Listen carefully. Cosec theta, you can write 1 by sine theta. I told you the technique, convert in terms of sine and cos. Cot theta, you can write cos theta by sine theta. After this, denominators are same, so numerator you have to simplify. Denominators are same, so numerator you have to simplify. Because numerator, now after this, square I'm separating, given in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Anybody have doubt, ask me now itself. Please check it. Still I didn't expand it. After this, sine square theta you can write. In the beginning I taught you. Sine square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta. Don't get confused. Numerator is what? Whole square. Denominator is what? Not whole square. It is 1 square minus cos square. 1 we can call 1 square. So numerator you can write, listen carefully, 1 minus cos theta twice. But denominator is not like that. 1 means we can call 1 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into what? A minus b. A plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancelled. So your output, what you want to prove, the same thing, equal to RHS. This is proved. Very simple question only. Try to understand, but when the people are seeing, they think it's very difficult things. That's much only. After this, we are doing 9th question. Same procedure you apply, but answer you won't get. At the end, I'll tell you. Please do the same way. Question number 9th one. Answer sometimes you won't get, but don't worry. Procedure is same only. At the end, something will make it. Like that only, all the mobile different models are coming. But procedure and step, everything same only. But at the end, what happened? At the end, what happened? At the end, some changes. Memory increasing, RAM increasing, something like that. Please check it. Do it. Question number 9th one. I'll wait. Okay. So I hope already you started. LHS spot. You try. I'm just writing. One by cos theta whole square. Denominator same. Separating. Cos theta whole square means only cos square theta. By mistakenly don't write cos square theta square, don't write. What is cos square theta? In the beginning I taught you. Cos square theta is what? 1 minus sine square theta. Numerator repeated twice. And denominator a plus b into a minus b cancelled. But answer you want to get in terms of what? Cosec. Even previous also we can change like that. Answer you want to get in terms of cosec. All of you please make sure you wrote up to. No problem. You no need a sine, you need a cosec. But it became in terms of what? Sine. No problem. Divide both the numerator and denominator by sine theta. Divide both the numerator and denominator by sine theta. Why we are dividing by sine? Because I don't want sine. I need subtraction is not allowed. I don't want sine. I want to get to what? Cosec. So divide both the numerator and denominator by sine theta. So 1 divided by 1 by sine theta by sine theta. Numerator divided. Now denominator 1 by sine theta by sine theta. What is 1 by sine theta? Cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus 1 RHS. See how easily we done. Always this type of question. What we need, what we don't want. Accordingly, you have to proceed it. Next question. Here one question asked 11th one. I'll come back to that one. Don't worry. Question number 15th one. 15th one previously asked. Even the recent Pearl School exam also asked. It's easy question. 15th one. 15th one. LHS please rewrite. There's a middle term and a right term. LHS please rewrite. That's another easy question. Green part means you got the answer is what? 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. But answer you want to get in terms of cosec only. Sine you no need. So that's why what I done. Both the numerator and denominator I divide by sine theta. Here also I divided, here also I divided. So you have to divide 1 with the sine theta. Sine everything you have to divide by sine theta. So 1 by sine is what? Cosec. Sine by sine is what? 1. So 1 by sine is cosec. Sine by sine is what? So like that only we got. If your class is 8 o'clock, always coming late, not acceptable. This everything, all the reply will be there after our first revision test, which one we announced. Question number 15th one. LHS wrote, I think already. Sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. So I told you 3 possibility we have: cross multiplication, or convert in terms of sin and cos, common term. Your common term is only cross multiplication. So cross multiplication when you're doing, numerator when you're this into this when you're doing, what will get? Sin A plus cos A whole square plus this when you're doing sin A minus cos A whole square, all divided by denominator A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is what? A square minus B square. See, what do you want to prove? That our denominator is ready with us. Sin square A minus cos square A. After this, expansion, don't make a mistake. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Some people I know, they've done very quickly this one because I told you this is a level 1. Easy question only will be the plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A, all divided by sin square A minus cos square A. So you can cancel 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A, you can cancel. Now, sin square A and cos square A you add, that is what you want. Don't forget our test portal to practice repeatedly. Every day, 2-3 times you have to practice test portal. Sorry, our connection, 1 minute. Sin square A plus cos square A, this is what you want. And here also what sine square A plus cos square A, that's also what to do. Don't forget to practice repeatedly our MCQ test portal. I think now 200 questions are there. Many times you practice, whether you pass or fail, but doesn't care. You just practice it. 1 plus 1 to 2. But always try to write your name. Don't write any other name. Anyway, I'm not telling anything. You just practice it. 1 plus 1 is what? That is the. And sine square A minus what? Cos square A. So your answer is ready. This one. That is equal to what? Middle term. You got the middle term. Now there is a right term also is there. Middle term everybody got, I think. 2 by sine square A minus cos square. Now how we'll get the RHS? Listen carefully. 2 by RHS, what do you want to get? You have to check. You want to get 2 sine square A minus 1. So don't touch a sign. Let it be the minus. Cos square A you can change. In the beginning I taught you bracket is compulsory. Cos square A is what? 1 minus sine square A. Open the bracket. Sine square A minus 1 plus sine square A. How many sine square you can see? 2 sine square A minus 1. Sometimes prove that it is what 2 by 1 minus. Sometimes the question will come 1 minus 2 sine cos square A. Like that also question can come. At that time, what you have to do? Here we change this one. No, if they tell you 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square A, if they're asking this sine square A, you change it. What is sine square A? 1 minus cos square A. Like that you can change it. Okay, I hope everyone understood this one, RHS part. This is the 15th question. So that's why 15th question we discussed it. That's why this last year one of the paper asked the 8th question. Last year one of the paper asked 8th question. Textbook question only, 8th one. Here many questions are from the textbook, but I added some questions from my side. Level 2, around 20 questions will be there. 22 questions. Level 3, around 15 questions. That will be which one is very hard, that we'll discuss. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one. Time is 8:32, 30 minutes over. Question number 8th one. LHS, please rewrite. 8th one. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Already in terms of sine and cos, cross multiplication possibility will be there only. It should be two different fraction. It's not different fraction, only one fraction. Common term, you can take it out. Please take the common term out. From the numerator, sine theta is common. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos theta is common. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Actually, you want to get a tan theta. Do you remember in the previous question I told you, we can prove 2 sine square A minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine square A. We can prove both are same thing only. That's why it is get cancelled. All of you listen carefully. Listen carefully what I'm doing now. Sine theta into, I'm not touching numerator. If you want, you can touch also, no problem. By cos theta into, denominator I'm going to change. Denominator or numerator is your choice. Either if you want numerator, you can change your denominator. Listen carefully. Now don't write it. 2 into, what is cos square theta? 1 minus sine square theta, then minus 1. So numerator I didn't change. Don't change both. Divided by, actually it is a 11th standard result. This both are same only. You can see that. Cos theta into, open the bracket, 2 minus 2 sine square theta minus 1. 2 into this one. So sine theta into 1 minus 2, this much stuff actually no need. But for understanding I wrote. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. You can cancel 1 minus 2 sine square, 1 minus 2 sine square. Same only. So sine by cos is what? Tan theta. That is what your RHS. Sine by cos is what? Tan theta. That is what your RHS. Sine by cos equal to what? Tan theta. That is what your RHS. See how we done it. Be careful. Next I am doing 13th one after this. Vasila, your doubt is there. I'll discuss it. Don't worry. 13th one. Another important but easy. When you took sine common, the L law in seconds shouldn't be 1 minus sine square L. No, there is 2 is there. No, common term cube is there. No, no, sine x minus sine cube x, for example. So sine x when you are taking outside 1 minus sine square x will be 2, nothing will happen. That is addition. Common term is power only will come down. Power only will come down. Simply don't tell any potodram. Okay, so be careful about it. X minus x cube is there. X when you're taking outside 1 minus x square will be there. This 2 if is there, nothing will happen. Next question number 13th one. Given that x equal to k sine a cos b, x equal to k sine a cos b, many people improved in my previous experience, I'm telling you, during this class only. Because once the portion finishing means that is another thing. But during revision type, the module, but you have to utilize, then only output will be there. K sine A cos B. Last week, many people improved because of this module based class. K sine A sine B. Module based class later won't be there. Later, nearby exam day 1, day 2, day 3, like that only will give. This one. You want to prove. Now LHS you rewrite. LHS x square plus y square plus z square equal to. This is your x, that is square. X square means k square sine square A cos square B, y square plus k square sine square A sine square B, then finally z square k square cos square A. I think many people knows this one how to do because we done before also. Here the technique, common term only we are taking out, but don't take all together. First take a common term from here. If you want, you can underline. Take common term from there.
Sine square and k square.
Yeah, you can take k square sine square outside. So balance cos square b plus sine square b. Then the balance k square cos square b. Before I told you, few people can make a WhatsApp group. Then you can make many discussion in that group. I told you, I don't know how many of you doing that one. Just say 4 or 5 people plan. Now, can we make a WhatsApp group for discussing our subject? Not only math, every subject. I mean, your school subject. Can we make a group? Then we can discuss some question there and here, just like a group study. I told you, I don't know how many of you done. If anybody needs, if you want, you can add me also. So any doubt, if all the 5 people are having same doubts coming, I can clear in that particular group. But don't make me as an admin. You just make a group. Then if you want, you can add me. I also will help you. And you can ask, for example, suppose say this there. Now how to do this question? Then other those who are there in the group, just try to explain the group itself and you just write and send it.
Okay.
If you're also making mistake, what we can do, I will interfere in that one. So we got a different answer. What's the problem? Like the small WhatsApp group you make by yourself and 4 or 5 people. If you want, you can add me. Otherwise, no problem. It is your choice. But you just think about that. Cos square b plus sine square b is what to 1. Now what is balance? K sine square a plus k cos square a is balance. You can take k square outside. So k square, because this became 1 now. So it will be what k square sine square a cos square a. This also what to 1 equal to k square. That is what RHS. That is what RHS. How easily we done, you see. Very easily we done. Time is 8:40. You have 20 minutes more only. Next question I'm discussing. Question number 12th one. Repeatedly, many exams I saw this one. MCQ they're asking. 2 mark question they're asking. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. After this. Given that sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Given that sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Therefore, sine theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta transposed. 1 minus sine square theta, everybody knows cos square theta. Equation number 1. So cos square theta same as what? 1 sine theta. In this question only that one. Every time it is not correct. Sine theta same as what? Cos square theta. What do you want to find? That LHS you rewrite.
Question number?
Question number 12th one. LHS cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to. All of you listen. This I am writing cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Why I wrote like this? Because cos square theta same as what is sine theta. Wherever cos square theta, here you can see cos square theta. Here also you can see cos square theta. That I am changing. Cos square theta same as sine theta plus here what sine theta whole square. Because cos square theta only I am changing. So this will be what? Sine theta plus sine square theta. What is sine theta plus sine square theta? That is what 1. So you please place this equation number 1, this equation number 2. Here you write from 2. Here you write from 1. So that is what RHS. Please see. Anybody have problem? Let me know. Next I'm doing 11th one after this. 11th one. 11th one.
Sir.
Hmm?
How does sine theta plus sine square theta become 1?
You read the question. What is the question given in the first line? Adesh, what is given first line in the question?
Okay, clear. I got it.
Sine theta plus sine square theta already given is 1. That's we replaced. Next question number 11th one. Try to understand 11th one. Whenever root comes, there is a one root question further. One really tricky question. Let me search it. CBSE long before asked. I think term-wise exam was not this one, long before. Term 1, term 2. Not the MCQ one recently, long before 2007. There's a good question for that. I don't know. Somewhere I typed it, but I can't see that. Root question. Many people can't do that one, but it's a good question. I think at that time different school having different paper. They can say 37 papers CBSE released. At that time ME has taken one paper in that one question. Okay. Question number 11th one. Whenever root comes, denominator conjugate and multiplication. Root question comes. This technique somewhere you write. Root came, then conjugate multiplication division. LHS root 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. Root 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. Denominator conjugate you multiply. So 1 minus sine theta conjugate is what? 1 plus sine theta. Both numerator and denominator conjugate you multiply. Denominator conjugate means denominator what is their middle sign you change and multiply. And here 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Here denominator conjugate is coming 1 minus sine theta. So please write up to you. Whenever root comes, conjugate multiplication and division. Then what is 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta? 1 plus sine theta whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Here is what? 1 minus sine theta whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Check. Anybody have problem? Let me know. Let me know. Now what happened? Root of 1 plus sine theta whole square. A square minus b square, it will be cos square theta. Because 1 minus sine square is what? Cos square. In the beginning I taught you. 1 minus sine theta whole square by cos square theta. Now only you can cut a square and square root. From here, don't cut the square and square because here individual square. Numerator you can, okay. But denominator is individual square if it is coming, don't cut. The a square plus b square root, you are not allowed to cut it. But a plus b whole square root, if it is there, you can cut. That's allowed now here. Here 1 plus sine theta square and square root to go. Denominator cos square theta will go, so cos theta. Here 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Two ways are there. Either you can denominators are same. You can simplify the numerator. Or you can separate 1 by sine theta by cos theta. Anything, everything is fine. So here the denominators are same. So numerator you can simplify. Or if you want, there is one single question is there at that. Okay, it's fine. You can write 1 by cos theta like that. Also you can separate also. Sine theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. So what sine theta by cos theta by cos theta you can cut. That's also option is there. Or you can denominator same numerator. That is easy actually, but some single questions are there at that time it will be. So what is 1 by cos theta sec theta? Here also 1 by cos theta sec theta. So how many sec theta you can see? So 2 sec theta arches. 2 sec theta arches. Next I'm discussing question number 7th one. 7th one already answer I wrote. So sorry. Now 6th one we can discuss. 6th one after this. Sec theta plus sec theta is what? 2 sec theta. That's what the RHS. Now question number 6th one. 7th one already answer is there. There's a typing mistake only. 6th one we are doing now. 6th one. I told you convert in terms of what? Sine and cos. 6th question. Please write what you want to show. 6th one. We have limited time only. 13 minutes only. 6th one. Please write what is there in the question. 6th one. Sixth one. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. There is another method also which is easy, but the problem you people can't remember. Calculations are complicated. But better what I told you, the same method you can apply. Little complication here also is there. Read the question, but one question I added that you have to do by yourself. Convert in terms of sine and cos. 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. This question today itself you have to practice. Don't forget. I didn't tell you any question like that, but this question you have to do. This question and next question. After this, LCM. LCM in the sense, cos theta get multiplied here sine theta multiplied. So this one, cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 by cos theta, because all other things denominator same. Here sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sine theta, because denominator same, because here already what sine theta is there. Now after this one, next step is very important. Please write up to you. Now try to attend all the revision session. Everything will update in the group if possible. Now, it is in the form of, this is your A. Sine theta plus cos theta plus sine theta same only. You know, A plus B same as B plus C. This is your A and this is your B. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. A square cos theta plus sine theta whole square minus B square. Denominator cos theta into sine theta. Numerator multiplied A, otherwise many calculations will come. That's why I told you today itself you have to check. You also mark like that A, B and all, then only. Then after that you have to expand. This is what A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus b square, then minus 1 already there, cos theta sin theta, and your belt cos square theta plus sin square theta, how much? 1. That one, 2 cos theta sin theta, minus 1 already there, cos theta sin theta. So what you can see, this one and this one cancel. Finally, 2 cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta. Your answer is what? 2. Same way, you people can try what question? The next one. I mean, seventh question, same way. Answer is 2. Equal to 2 already I wrote that. It's a prove that question. It's okay, fine. You try. Next question number 5th one. Please write it quickly. Question number 5th one. I'm in 5th one. So we done 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5th one we have 6, 7. I told you 8, 9. Almost everything we are doing. Only 14th questions remaining. Question number 5th one. Same strategies. Actually 5th one is very easy. If you remember, CK take inside CK minus tan A. Like that you will get it. Anyway, I'll tell you. Don't worry. But if you are not confident, we can make it in terms of sin and cos. Both method I'll explain. Question number 5th one. LHS, please rewrite. You have only 10 minutes. Question number 5th one. CK into 1 minus sin A, CK plus tan A. It's a very easiest way I will tell you. All of you listen. Easiest way. You just try to listen. CK I wrote 1 by cos A. Or no problem. CK I'm just taking inside here. CK into 1 CK minus CK sin A. Remaining, let it be there like that only. The easiest way, answer is almost over. This can be written as CK minus sin A by cos A. I'll explain. This for only those who are that much confident only. What I done here, this CK, when you take a reciprocal, what by cos A will come. CKs are actually what 1 by cos A. Now it became CK minus tan A into CK plus tan A. That is what sec square A minus tan square A. Identity 1, RHS. You can write like this also. But some people won't be confident with this one. For them, I'm telling the other method. Those who are confident, you can write it. What we used to do, convert completely in terms of what? Sin and cos. That method we are applying. Okay, here only CK converted. A plus B into A minus B. This is an identity. A square minus B square. C square A minus tan square is what? In the beginning, I told you. Whenever you are practicing trigonometry, in that sheet, the first part what I told you, convert in sin and cos, that you write in a steady table in front of there also you can stick it. Like that when you're sticking, easily you can remember. You can, even exam also you can remember like that. So what is the traditional way we people used to do? Traditional way we people are doing everything convert in terms of sin and cos. Okay, let's start. LHS, please rewrite. Traditional way. CK into 1 minus sin A into CK plus tan A. Convert. CK is what? 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. This many step you can reduce actually if you are doing this one, but I wrote everything. Now, 1 by cos A we can keep anywhere because you know 1 by 2 into 3 into 5 is same as what you can write 3 by 2 into 5, you can write 3 into 5 by 2, everything same, multiplication only. But here you have to take LCM. Here you have to take LCM. LCM means denominators are same. So, this is what 1 minus sin A by cos A. I kept it below this one. Here 1 plus sin A by what? Cos A. Now numerator in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. And denominator cos A into cos A cos. It is a multiplication. Addition or subtractions coming will keep the same denominator. Multiplication is there, you have to multiply it. What is 1 minus sin square A cos square A? This is also easy. Cos square A equal to how much? 1 RHS. Now the last question. Only 5 minutes is there. Last question. If anybody has school, okay, very quickly we'll finish. 14th one. 14th one. Prove that I didn't write it. This everything prove that equal to I didn't write it. Sorry. Prove that equal to 1 only. 14th prove that first one equal to 1. Second one also equal to 1. Third one equal to what? I don't know. We'll see. First one. 14th one, first one. MCQ or 2 mark. Easy. Very easy. One line you will get. 14th first one. Prove that equal to 1. Please write LHS. 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta. That actually we wrote here. This is the thing. What is 1 minus sine square theta? Cos square theta into sec square theta. What is cos into sec? 1. Why? Cos and sec reciprocal. So of course their product is 1. Sine and cosec reciprocal. Sec and cos. So cos square theta, sec square theta. Because 1 minus sine square is what? Cos square theta. This is what? Sec square theta. Cos into sec 1. Sine into cosec 1. Tan into your super hexagon video you just watch. I'll resend it again. So please watch. And what is the second question? Same procedure, second question. 1 plus tan square theta into sec square, sorry, cos square theta. Same thing. What is 1 plus tan square? 1 plus tan square is what? Sec square theta. Into cos square theta. What is this? Is also what? 1 rule. Now third one. Same thing. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. This a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus sine square theta. That's also what? 1. Sec square theta into cos square theta. So 1. So everything equal to 1. Everywhere you write equal to 1. I hope everyone understood. Beautifully we finished our level 1 type. Level 1 is easy question. So board exam, chance is there for the question. Last year question came. So even the last year 15th question asked, and question number 10th or 9th asked, 8th asked, and first and second asked in different region. I'm saying not one paper. Gulf having one region and a total 5 region of the like that basic also 5 region in the among these papers asked. I hope this level 1 is clear. That's all. By today evening, regular class is not there for batch 2 students because holiday, no, evening you also enjoy. Okay, that's all. Bye. Take care.